Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If today's the first time that you're watching one of my videos, hi, welcome to the M&N family. So today it will be all about another mask. And I promise you the next mask that I was going to review on my channel, it was going to be the SOO'AE Honey Cream Bubble Mask. And it's this sheet right here. This is supposed to have oxygenating plus moisturizing and nourishing. This is a bubble mask, so that got me all sorts of crazy. Find out how that's going to turn on my skin. And it's an oxygenating bubble mask formulated with vitamin B, and honey nourishes and revitalized skin for glowing smooth complexion. Detoxifying oxygen bubble mask contains purifying black charcoal and fruit mix complex for brightening, more radiant and soothing skin. So this is what we're going to be trying on my channel today. So the first thing that this says is the direction before applying. Open the pouch. Alright, so before opening the pouch, press down on the pouch with your palm and sweeping motions from top to bottom. So it will be basically this. Okay. After thoroughly cleansing skin, apply an adequate amount evenly on a dry or damp face, carefully avoiding eyes and mouth. When the oxygen bubbles form, wet fingers and massage gently in an upwards and outwards circular motions, starting from the center of the face, and then you're going to rinse off with water and following regular skincare. So this is what we're going to be doing. I still have makeup from my job. So this is my face after, it is, what time? It is around 7:50. Let me try to get that off the different ring light. So it's about 7:50. And I usually put my makeup on around 7 o'clock to go to work. So I'm ready to get my face off. So what I like to use for my everyday, it's going to be my Rimmel. And that's what I have on my face, and just setting powder, just a tiny little bit of highlight. And at this point, I don't think I have anything left. But I'm ready to cleanse myself and pamper my face. So I will be right back. Okay, so my face has been completely cleansed. This says that I could apply it dry or damp. So I like to have my face dampened. So I'm going to get some water, and I'm just going to dampen my face, avoiding the mouth and the eyes. Okay, so I already scratched everything down like it was saying on the package. So I'm going to open my package. Smell it first. Oh guys, it does smell like honey. Whew, baby, I'm excited. Okay, so now I'm going to apply it thoroughly throughout my entire face. So now I'm going to bring everything up. And this is how it looks in the package. So let's give you a sneak peek. So it does smell like honey, but also smells like lemon. Yeah. Ooh, you guys hear that? Oh my god. Okay, let me hurry up. Sounds like kind of crunchy, and it's starting to bubble up. So I'm gonna give the remainder of the product and try to hurry up. Go ahead and get a makeup wipe and clean my hand. But this is how it's bubbling up. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. So apply it like a cream, and it starts to bubble up. So let's see what this says now. So when the oxygen bubbles form, wet the finger and massage gently upwards and downwards. So I'm gonna get my bottled water and wet my fingers, and we're supposed to do circular strokes. gonna wet my fingers again. This is just a weird consistency product, but it is bubbling a little bit more. My hands are completely dirty, so thank God I have a towel on me because I knew this was going to be kind of messy. So just to give you guys heads up, have a towel near. If you're doing this in a bathroom, then you shouldn't have any problems. And then as soon as you're done, you want to rinse with warm water. So my suggestion with this, I don't feel like any reaction. This, let's see what happens. But this is a product that I think I'm expecting a little bit more of what this says. It's moisturizing. Do I feel it like the one that I use from the Neutrogena Hydro Boost mask? No. But, hold on. So, it doesn't say leave it at least for a few minutes. So that was kind of odd. This is, I think, like a cleansing bubble mask that you could just gonna use. I think this would be perfect to use when you're in the shower, to, you know, showering yourself and you have this product as you're doing bathing your body and applying soap. This is a good to have in those moments. That way you're in and out and you don't have to wait, because it doesn't tell you to wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and it's I already massaged this product on my face. It doesn't feel hydrating, that's the only thing. But let's see what I think about when I come back with my face completely washed, because it just says rinse face off with warm water and follow your regular skincare. So right after that, then I'm going to apply all my night cream. So I will be right back. Okay, so my face has been completely washed. I already did my toner. I'm about to do all my creams. But before that, I wanted to close this video. So this is how some of the bubble mask is looking. This, first of all, it costs $250 at Walmart. So this is where I purchased when I did the little haul from my Walmart products. What do I think? This you could use 3 to 5 times during the week is the recommended time. What I do think it's brightening, nourishing. I don't feel, if you guys try the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, you are going to think that everything else is a waste. But this bubble mask, for an experience, it was all right. How did it feel when you take it off? It feels like when you have shampoo in your face and you're trying to take it off. So my suggestion is, and the way I did it is I did this part of my face first, because you have to do circular motions to remove all the product, and then I moved on to the other side. My face looks very clean. It doesn't feel hydrating. I don't feel nourishing. So I was thinking, because it was a honey cream mask, I thought it was going to be extremely nourishing. It's oxygenating because it is a bubble mask, but besides that, it's all right. This I will do. Will I buy it again? I think I will. You leave it. This will be for 15 to 20 minutes of relaxation. That's what it says in the bottom. But when you check the directions on the back, it doesn't say to leave it for that amount of time. So it will be up to you what you want to do. But it will be something that I will be using while I'm bathing myself or taking a shower, or when I'm washing my hair and doing everything at the same time. This is when I will use this. But just to sit down and you reuse it again, no. So those are my thoughts. I hope you like this video. More videos like this are up to come, will be coming your way. I still have the hyaluronic acid molding peel off mask, and I still have the charcoal molding mask right here. So those will be coming up pretty soon, and I will be doing a spring makeup tutorial after this video. So stay tuned for this. So if you like videos like this, please give me your thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way the M&M family will keep on growing. I hope I'll see you pretty guys soon, and I'm sorry that I'm not uploading like I was uploading before. It's just I've been very busy at work, and this is the only times that I'm able to sit down and relax and film. So God bless you. Mwah. Los amo un montón. I love you very much. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye, beauties.